Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring the process of how to create a poem on Bing Chat. So, without further ado, let's get started. Start by launching your browser and visiting bing.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign in using your Microsoft Edge account. Now, enter a prompt like create a poem about nature to initiate the poetic magic with Bing Chat. Remember, you can request poems on any topic you desire. Bing Chat will handle the rest, turning your prompts into verses. I think that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Unleash your imagination and let Bing Chat be your poetic companion. I hope this guide inspires your poetic creations. Stay tuned for more inspiration. And I hope this video helps you one way or another. And see you in the next video.